The Spokane City Council could soon vote to settle a multi-million-dollar lawsuit filed by Otto Zehm's survivors. Tuesday, Mayor Mary Verner asked her legal staff to resolve the case to bring closure to Zehm's mother and the community. KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey spoke with Zehm's attorney today. Jeff, what does Zehm's family want?
Well, Clyde, their demands really haven't changed since they filed their suit back in 2009. They want an apology, more training for police officers, and almost $3 million. What has changed is the city's very real risk of losing this court fight.
Otto Zehm's lawsuit alleges the Spokane Police Department engaged in a conspiracy to make Zehm appear to be the aggressor during this altercation inside a Division Street zip trip. This is what Acting Chief Jim Nix said 6 days after the incident.
I'm very comfortable that the officers confronted a hostile individual, somebody who wasn't listening for whatever reason. They had a duty and obligation to stop and detain him.
However, Nix has now changed his story. Earlier this month, in this sworn affidavit, Nix writes that based on the security video, Otto Zehm is retreating the entire time that Officer Thompson is advancing on him and attacking him with his baton. Nix's declaration has devastated the city's hopes of defending Zehm's lawsuit, and now the mayor has little choice but to settle out of court.
The mayor's willing. If city legal's willing, we could be sitting down next week and talking about whether there's something we can do.
Zehm's lawsuit seeks $2.9 million in damages, but his mother also wants to hear the truth about what happened that night.
In other words, based on the city's internal reviews, what happened and what are they going to do to fix it? That would include what you referred to as an apology. It would also include just being forthcoming about the errors that were made.
Zehm's mother says a city park in her son's honor could be a way of making sure those errors are not repeated, that along with changes in officer training.
So, accountability, a report, modernization of use of force, training for officers when they are encountering people with mental illness, and an ombudsman. That's what we said we needed to see.
Since Zehm's death, Spokane police have received both mental health and excited delirium training. Feiner thinks settling this case now is what's best for the police department as well.
I think it hurts the police force to have this go on indefinitely. It hurts the community. It reduces trust. It reduces morale.
And there is another reason the city may want to settle this case soon. If they wait until Officer Thompson's criminal trial in October and he's convicted, that will only add more dollars and cents to what Zehm's family can collect in the way of damages. City officials are not saying what their next legal move will be. Reporting in Spokane, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.